Hi, everyone. Welcome to NEWUP Weather News' new YouTube channel. I figured I'd try my hand at this and see what happens, see if anyone watches, or if we can get any followers on this or any more followers on the Facebook page. But I just wanted to give you a quick couple-minute update here on this weather system that's going to be coming in. I'm recording this today, which is December 7th, 2023. And this is for the system that's coming in this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, so that'd be the 9th and the 10th of December in 2023. I got all the models pulled up here for you, and you can take a look at them, and you can see them on the screen here. We'll start with the two longer range models. So the GFS, the Global Forecast System, and the European model. Those are two of the models that get used a lot. Meteorologists use those. And by the way, I'm not a meteorologist. I'm just a weather fan. So just take this for what it's worth. I don't claim to know it all, and I don't claim to get it right all the time, or half the time, or a quarter of the time. But hopefully you'll find this interesting anyway, and maybe it can help you as you make your plans for this weekend. So we got the GFS model here, and this is the latest model run that came out. So right now you can see that we've got not a lot going on as far as precipitation is concerned. But then as we start moving into Saturday, so this would be midnight, Friday going into Saturday, you can see the rain and snow mix there starting to move into northern Illinois. If you've been watching the news or any other weather outlets, you've probably heard that this storm track is now moving a little bit further west than expected. And I thought for sure it was going to be going to more of the south and east over the Ohio River Valley, but that just didn't end up being the case. And a lot of the models are now confirming that this low pressure system is going to come pretty much right over Wisconsin. And if you notice the blue dashed line and the yellow dashed line, that kind of indicates where that cold front is stationed, and where that low is kind of tracking. So you can see as this comes in, you get a rain snow mix. This is 6 a.m. Saturday on this particular model, and they've really scaled back on the amount of precipitation. There could be some heavy rain, especially on the eastern side of the state, but that's not really for us to be concerned about. We would probably see more predominantly snow, given that we're going to be on the colder side of this weather system for a little bit longer. That first wave is going to move out, and then you're going to see a second wave come in. So this is noon Saturday, and then 6 p.m. Saturday. This model, as of late, has started to break down this second band of snow that's coming through, except for maybe along the lake shore, on the Lake Superior shoreline, or in those lake effect snow belts. But you can see that this moves through, and by 6 a.m. Saturday, we're pretty much out of the snow according to this model. Taking a look at the European model, you can see that it's a little bit more of the same. So again, about midnight, there's that weather coming into northern Illinois. It's trending a little bit east on this particular model, so maybe we miss out on that first bit unless you're heading into the eastern UP. So looks like Schoolcraft County and eastward of there. But there again, you can see the second line of snow that's going to be coming in behind that. That one stays a little bit more pronounced and moves through the area again, clearing out by 6 a.m. Now, when we look at the more short range models, this would be the North American model. So this is a short range model. This one gives a little bit more depth. And again, this is the latest model run here. So let's get to that time frame, that midnight, Friday night going into Saturday. Again, same thing. And the NAM has really played this down as of late. And again, moving that a little bit further east, but that second band of snow coming through. And I wouldn't take this as gospel, like this is how it's going to happen. You just get the general trend. Pretty much along a line of like Highway 51 and east, expect rain snow mix in the morning and throughout the early afternoon on Saturday, followed by a second round of snow Saturday night into Sunday, taking us to midnight here, or excuse me, 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. Out of here with that. And then one more. This is this one goes by hour for the North American model. And again, this is our latest update. You can see a little bit of just clutter there. I don't think that's going to amount to much of anything. But this would be your 6 a.m. time frame. And again, the NAM has really scaled back on that snow and rain that's going to be coming through in the morning, and seems to be putting a little bit more faith in that second band of snow to come through in the evening and into early Sunday morning. So what does this mean for us? I kind of like what the National Weather Service has been saying. This is the Green Bay office. You can see that they're looking like we're going to be getting maybe 1 to 3 inches along and north and west of a line. You can see from Wausau to Florence. I'll pull up the Marquette map here, and kind of the same thing. They're a little bit further west with it, but you get the general idea. If you're in areas like Iron River, in Iron County in general, Vilas, Oneida County, you're going to be seeing a little bit more snow versus if you're in even Forest or Florence or Langlade County, where it's going to be that rain-snow mix. If you're Marinette, Oconto County, Delta County, you're probably not, in Menominee County, Michigan, you're probably not seeing a lot of snow with this system. You're going to see a lot more rain. But I'm kind of liking both of these models. So figure north and west areas, in the northwest UP and along the Keweenaw, 1 to 3 inches of snow possible. And then in north central Wisconsin, again, same thing. And if you're in Forest, Florence, Menominee, Marinette, Oconto, Delta County, expect that you may see some snow, but I don't think it's going to amount to too terribly much. So that is what we're going to be looking at for this storm for the weekend. And again, some of these things may change. The models are really consistent now in that it is going to be bringing in some precipitation to our area. So you should expect something on Saturday and again going into Sunday morning. I just don't think it's going to be anything real significant for the borderland counties along the Menominee River. Maybe a little bit more snow to the north and west, but even still, 1 to 3 inches is really not too terribly much. And you could hear our senior pupologist, Mr. Muddy Buddy, he agrees. So I guess that's all for now. I just wanted to share that update with you. Please feel free to like this video or hit the subscribe button on the video if you want to follow this YouTube channel. We'll see what happens here, and I'll try to post some more updates in the future, and we'll see where this goes. But for now, thanks so much for tuning in, and we will talk to you later.